Respected teachers and my dear friends, a present good morning to one and all. This is KV Badri. I am pursuing 10th grade at Lokshi tutorial. Today I want to present a interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I am saying complete seminar about nutrition. Let's start to the seminar. As before starting to the seminar, I would like to ask one small question. Do you know what is a nutrition? Yes, the nutrition is nothing but food need to growth, repair and maintain our body temperature is called nutrition. The nutrition is two types that are autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. The autotrophic nutrition is nothing but that is a preparing their own food is called autotrophic nutrition. Example, plants trees by the process of photosynthesis. And heterotrophic nutrition, the heterotrophic nutrition is nothing but that is a dependent nutrition. Example, animals, human beings, birds, etc. Are you understand this topic, friends? Yes, I hope you are understand this topic. Let's move to another topic, that is photosynthesis. Yes, what is a photosynthesis? Yes, the photosynthesis is nothing but the trees releasing the oxygen and taking carbon dioxide in the process of photosynthesis. This image shows the process of photosynthesis. The important chemical equation of photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 12H2O. Sunlight leads to chlorophyll C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. This is the important chemical equation of photosynthesis. Do you know, friends, who founded the oxygen? Yes, absolutely. In the Joseph Priestley scientist was founded the oxygen. The the trees and plants is releasing the oxygen. I can show the activity. This activity shows the Priestley scientist was founded the plant trees is releasing the oxygen. First of all, the Priestley scientist was take one belcher and candle. After some time, the candle will be off and take one rat and candle and keep it inside of the belcher. The candle is put off and rat is die. After some time, the scientist was take one candle, mint plant and rat. After some time, the candle is not off and the rat is not die. Why? Because of the plant is releasing the oxygen and taking the carbon dioxide. So that why the candle will be not off and the rat will be not die. So friends, in 1774 the Priestley scientist was founded the plants is releasing the oxygen. In 1775 the Lavoisier scientist was named by the oxygen. Are you understand this topic, friends? Yes, I hope you are all understand this topic. Let's move to another topic. Do you know, friends, what is parasitic nutrition? Yes, the parasitic nutrition is nothing but in parasitic nutrition we can take one Cuscuta plant. The Cuscuta plant in Cuscuta plants have 170 twinning species. The Cuscuta plant is growing one stem to another stem by the process of energy. It's called Cuscuta plant. The Cuscuta plant is nothing but dodder. Are you understand this topic, friends? Yes, I hope you are all understand this topic. Let's move to another topic. Do you know, friends, how the human digestive system is going on? Yes, I can show the process of human digestive system. This image shows the human digestive system. Food to mouth to buccal cavity to esophagus to liver to stomach to duodenum to faenas to small intestine to large intestine to rectum to anus. This is the process of human digestive system. Yes, you are all understand this topic, friends? Yes, I hope you are all understand this topic. Let's move to another topic. I want to show one important activity, that is leaf boiling in methylated spirit. In this activity, we want beaker, water, methylated spirit, test tube and leaf. Take the beaker, pour some water and take one test tube and pour some methylated spirit and keep it inside of the leaf and on the Bunsen burner. After some time there was the heat will be coming. After some time we can take that leaf and keep it inside of the petri dish. After some time we can add some iodine solution and there was the blue and black color was formed. We can conclude that is a starch. There is no starch, the leaf will be dye. Okay, you are all understand this topic, friends? Yes, I hope you are all understand this topic. Let's move to another topic. Yes, do you know, friends, what is chloroplast? Yes, the chloroplast is nothing but the chloroplast is inside of the leaf. There is no chloroplast, the leaf will be dye. This is the transverse section of chloroplast. This is the membrane, this is the stroma, this is the granum, and this is the telecarp. The telecarp is nothing but the telecarp is group of granums. This is starch of granum and this is loop of DNA and this is lipid of globule. Do you know? Are you understand this topic, friends? Yes, I hope you are all understand this topic. Let's move to another topic, that is what is the difference? Do you know, friends, what is the difference between light reaction and dark reaction? Yes, absolutely. The light reaction is nothing but the light in presence of sunlight. The light reaction is coming. The light reaction is also called as photochemical phase, and this is the first phase of the photosynthesis. The end product of light reaction is chlorophyll, sunlight, and the light reaction is founded by Robert Hills. This is also called as Hills reaction. Let's put another topic, that is dark reaction. The dark reaction is nothing but which process in dark is called as dark reaction. The dark reaction is also called as biosynthetic phase. This is the second phase of the photosynthesis. The end product of dark reaction is C6H12O6 and CO2. CO2 is nothing but that is carbon dioxide. This dark reaction is founded by Mark Kelvin. This is also called as Kelvin's reaction. Are you understand this topic, friends? Yes, I hope you are all understand this topic. Let's move to another topic. Do you know, friends, the water plants also releasing the oxygen. I can show the process of hydrolysis experiment. This is the hydrolysis experiment. This is beaker. For this activity we want beaker, water, test tube, funnel, hydrolysis plant. Take one beaker, pour some water like this, and take one test tube, funnel, keep it inside of the funnel and keep it inside of the test tube. After some time the air molecules will be coming. We don't know what is that molecules. Take one fire and keep it upside of the test tube. After some time the fire will be burning. Why? Because of the oxygen is increased the fire and carbon dioxide is decreased the fire. So friends, we can conclude that is oxygen. The water plants also releasing the oxygen. Are you understand this topic, friends? Yes, I hope you are all understand this topic. Let's move to another topic, that is malnutrition. Do you know, friends, what is malnutrition? Yes, the malnutrition is nothing. There are three types of malnutrition, that is calorie malnutrition, protein malnutrition, calorie protein malnutrition. There are four types of dangerous main diseases, that are kwashiorkor, marasmus, obesity, pellagra. This image shows the kwashiorkor disease was affected person. The kwashiorkor disease is nothing but this is due to protein deficiency disease in diet. For symptoms of this disease is swollen legs, fluffy face, diarrhea, very difficult to eat. This is the symptoms of this kwashiorkor disease. And marasmus. This image shows the marasmus affected person. Yes, the marasmus is nothing but the marasmus is when the mother was immediately second pregnancy, the marasmus disease will be occur. The symptoms of this disease is very difficult to eat and swollen legs are the symptoms of this disease. And obesity. Do you know what is obesity? This image shows the person affected obesity. Yes, what is obesity? The obesity is nothing but the eating of food and the excess of calories are the obesity, are called obesity. The first symptoms of this disease is bladder, very difficult to eat. This is the symptoms of obesity. And pellagra. This image shows the pellagra disease. The pellagra is nothing but this is vitamin deficiency disease. In vitamin deficiency disease, there are two types of vitamins that are diet and in this disease the pellagra is occur. There are two types of vitamins that are fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins. What is a water soluble? The water soluble vitamins is nothing but B complex vitamin and C vitamin. What is B complex vitamin? Yes, the B complex vitamins is B1, B2, B3, B6, B12 and vitamin C is ascorbic acid. B1 is thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B6 cyclobolmin, B6 pyridoxine, B12 cyclobolmin. This is the vitamin B complex vitamins and C vitamin. C vitamin is ascorbic acid. Do you understand this topic, friends? Yes, I hope you are all understand this topic. Let's move to the another topic is fat soluble vitamins. The fat soluble vitamins is four types that are A, D, E, K. A is retinol, D calciferol, E tocopherol, K phyliquinone. This is the fat soluble vitamins. In B3 niacin vitamin, the pellagra disease will be occur. You are all understand my seminar, friends? Yes, I hope you are all understand this seminar. Thanks for spending your valuable time for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.